After conducting 871 audits, I've identified the top 5 reasons why stores are hard to buy from. If you're suffering with any of these, you are leaving a massive amount of conversions on the table each and every day. So let's get into it. So the top 5 reasons are as follows. 1. Too many decisions too early. 2. Unclear value and outcomes. 3. Trust shows up too late. 4. Friction at commitment points. And 5. A poor mobile buying experience. So let's break these down. 1. Too many decisions too early. Most stores overwhelm visitors immediately. Too many products, options, messages, CTA. Instead of guiding the buyer, they hand them a maze. What's really happening is cognitive load increases, confidence drops, bounce rates go up. People don't leave because they hate options. They leave because they don't know which one to choose. So what high-performing brands do is they reduce visible choices. They highlight default or best for most options, and they guide decisions instead of outsourcing them. So an actionable fix for you guys is 1 primary path per page, most popular or start here framing, and removing all secondary CTAs above the fold. So the second reason why stores are hard to buy from is unclear value and outcomes. Many stores explain what the product is, but not why it matters. Features without outcomes create uncertainty. So what's really happening is visitors understand the product, but don't understand the result. And when outcomes aren't clear, buying feels risky. So what do high-performing brands do? They lead with outcomes, they reinforce benefits repeatedly, and they tie features to real-world results. So the actionable fix here, guys, is ask yourself, what changes for the customer after they buy this? And can this be understood in 5 seconds? If not, rewrite the above the fold messaging first. The third reason why stores feel hard to buy from is trust shows up too late. Many stores hide trust until the below the fold, the bottom of the page, or the checkout. That's too late. What's really happening is visitors hesitate early, reassurance comes late, and they leave in between. So what high performing brands do is they surface trust immediately. They reinforce credibility before asking for action, and they reduce the perceived risk early. The actionable piece of advice here, guys, is on the above the fold section, add 1 trust anchor, social proof, credibility marker, risk reversal. Trust isn't decoration, it's infrastructure. The fourth reason why stores feel hard to buy from is friction at commitment points. Commitment points are where friction matters most. Add to cart, start checkout, enter payment details. If confidence isn't high enough, friction feels heavier. Surprises kill momentum. So what high-performing brands do is they remove surprises, they simplify steps, and they reinforce reassurance right before commitment. The actionable fix here, guys, is showing shipping and returns early, reducing form fields, and adding reassurance near CTAs. And the fifth reason why stores feel hard to buy from is a poor mobile buying experience. Most traffic is on mobile, most friction is on mobile, and most stores treat mobile like an afterthought. So what high-performing brands do is they design mobile intentionally, they remove non-existent elements, and they prioritize clarity over completeness. So an actionable fix here, guys, is audit mobile only, ask what can be removed, and ensure your core message plus CTA appear without scrolling. Now, it's important to note, guys, that persuasion doesn't fix friction. Most brands respond to low conversions by adding more copy, adding more proof, adding more offer. This often just makes things even worse. You cannot persuade someone out of confusion. Clarity beats persuasion every damn time. So the takeaway here is great products don't sell themselves. Easy buying experiences do. High-performing brands win because they reduce friction relentlessly, they guide decisions intentionally, and they make buying feel obvious. If your store feels hard to buy from, the fix isn't more persuasion, it's less friction.